niwega na uratwamukira kuma county-ini ya Nyeri tukifoya-ini ya tauni ya Nyeri kiria kioikaine ta Asian Quarter na hena mihango irathie na mbere iria ndenda gukuonia kwina arutwo maumite kuria murimo kana kuria gwitwo United States na amego kuma githomithia aikari agukuna muno gikundi kimwe gikoragwo gikiruta wira haha magakorwo ni guthoma marathoma magicenjanagia meciria na ndenda twarie nao nigetha tukorwo tukimenya matanyite marikuna niki mareka gwenda utwire witagwo atia no twire atiriri ndona kwina maundu maingi marathie na mbere haha niki kirathie na mbere
kwa maritwo ni Boniface Ndegwa tukoragwo haha na gikundi gitagwo Turning Trash into Treasure handu turabundithania guthondeka makara petroleum maguta kuma plastiki kumelti shuma na organic fertilizer na aruto aya mulimo US ni maratubundithia uria tungi reclaim giko na takataka cituike tucokie uria gifoya kingituika park handu andu mangioka kuhuruka na kurelax kana guthaka mithako
reke ngurugeria anarutwa nigetha tukorwo tukimenya o niki marathomithania ungirora ha thutha kwa ni kuona irima ndirenda twire niria ki anekuria na githungu njitikirie tondu ni wakiona ni muthungu ni tukugeria gutaura. So just kindly introduce yourself and tell us what are you doing here and what is this?
Thank you. My name is Peter Savchik and I'm one of the university students helping Bonnie. And what we're doing is helping him to design a prototype landfill that hopefully can be used to get a bid for him to build a larger scale landfill. So the way that the prototype works is that we have a pit dug in the ground about 1 meter deep, which is lined with plastic liner, and then inside goes alternating layers of trash and soil, which are compacted using an oil drum. And then we also have 2 pipes in the prototype, which represent that in the larger landfill we will have pipes collecting methane and water that builds up in the landfill and removing it from the inside. So that is an overview of how the prototype works.
Right. And maybe what would be used to, when this land is reclaimed, what can it be used for briefly?
Yes, well, I think it's kind of limited what the land can be reclaimed as, but you can cover the top with soil and plant grass and perhaps make it a public space for people to meet or just hang out.
All right. Thank you very much. Agatariria uria irima riri riraruta wira akauga ati irima riri mejete magekira maratathi ma nylon nathi magacoka magaitiriria magekira takataka magaitiriria tiri magakorwo makihinya tiri ucio na takataka magacoka makongerera takataka tiri ungi magathie magikaga uguo nginya riria irima riri rihura no ngiona ni marathiurukia drum yo ni ya guteithiriria kuhinyiriria tiri na takataka no akauga ati marikio guo wothe he gukorwo na tiri iguru na akauga ati kifoya tagi kigiyothe no gicenjio gikorwo he handu andu mangiuka magaikara makahuruka na magikiuga ati meciria mao ni gukorwo magiko githomo giki makorwo magigitumira gucenjia kifoya giki na oho makehoka ati ni megukorwo makihota to gucenjia kifoya giki na megukorwo makihota gucenjia ifoya iria ciothe ci county ya Nyeri na mwihoko wao ni ati githomo giki gitigutumika guku tu county-ini ya Nyeri ni githomo kigitumika kundu na kundu ni gukoretwo na thina ta ku county ya Nyeri andu makiuga ati ona matirenda kifoya giki githamio ni tondu ni gukorwo gikimarehera muruki no makauga ati magikorwo no matumire githomo ta giki ona handu hothe kifoya giki giatwarwo andu matingikorwo na mathina ma mirimo ya kuhihia na mirimo ringi yumanaga na munuki kana yumanaga na giko kiria kiumaga ifoya-ini kuma county ya Nyeri. Gaucokeria studio ni njitagwo Martin Munene.